In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your profile picture visible only to certain contacts on WhatsApp. This is a great way to keep your profile more private while still allowing close friends or family to see your photos. So let's get started. What you want to do is open the WhatsApp app, and then you want to tap on the three dots in the top right corner and then tap on settings. Then what you want to do is tap on privacy, and as you can see here, there is an option for profile photo. Tap on this. Now you have a few different options here to choose between. Everyone, my contacts except, and nobody. So if I select my contacts except, then I can go through different contacts that I don't want to see my profile picture on. Once you've made your selection, tap the green check mark in the bottom right corner to save your changes, and that's it.